Hi, my name is Laura, and I'm only here to give you the facts. I've been using Garmin since 2017 to run, swim, and cycle. I was shocked to find out that Garmin's devices are used by Turkish and Azerbaijani military to commit war crimes against peaceful Armenian population. There are overwhelming and indisputable facts of Turkish-made Bayraktar drones destroying homes, schools, and churches. Garmin shouldn't get blood on its hands. It is the key responsibility of Garmin to prevent sales and use of its products for any military purposes. It should follow the example of Canada's Bombardier and other companies that have suspended such practices. Technology shouldn't be used to kill innocent people and destroy infrastructure, and that is why I am boycotting Garmin. If you are for peace, and if you want Garmin to stop supporting war crimes, please post with the hashtag #BoycottGarmin.